How to add a story collection on Facebook. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a story collection on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Once in the profile, tap the three dots next to Edit Profile to open more options. Select Archive from the menu. In the top left corner, tap Story Archive to view your archived stories. My story archive is empty, for instance. To add a story to a collection, tap the story you want to feature. Tap the heart icon at the top right corner of the screen. Create a new collection by selecting New Featured Collection. Name the collection, and finally tap Done. To add more stories, tap Add More, select the desired photos or videos, and then tap Done. That's all for the video. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.